truck. Over here so you can see it. I had already went through this thing and sanded, got all this old rust off. I didn't have no holes over here. I do some right here. I'm gonna have to fix that. So what I'm doing first, I got most of the rust off. I'm gonna spray this stuff on there, if you can see that. Hopefully it'll take that any rust that I'm missing, kill it so it won't keep rusting. I hope. Anyway, I'm gonna put some coats down on this thing. I gotta add some metal on the other side, so that's what's slowing down. So we'll go ahead and paint this old dang rust. Oh, I want to cover it. Cover it. Cover it. Get all that rust out. Yeah. It still was pretty solid, so I didn't have to really do nothing other than get all the little rust off. I think what I'm going to do is get that heat shield tape. You know, they come in squares. Dowel mat, whatever. Cut them out and stick them down. Keep all the heat out. I'm going to carpet it. But I got to get this stuff going first. So, alright. Let that dry. Getting there. Folks, we are getting there, I hope. There's some right there too. Don't forget the ventilation. Ugh. You know what I mean.
When Henry gets home, if Henry says anything.
Anyway, so that should dry good there, so that'll be good and solid. This is the part that's going to be a pain. So I think what I'm going to do, see where it's dug out there, I scraped all the old rust out and got it sanded down the best I can. I wanted to spray that stuff in here first to get down in there. And then I'm going to try to patch all of that. I'm not good enough with metal to do around those cracks and all that crap, so this part will be filled. Come over here and I'll show you the other side of what I'm going to have to do. Oh. This is my bad side. I'm going to have to cut this out. I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna weld me some metal from here all the way to here, I think. Well, I am. Get underneath it and clean all that. And there's a couple of little holes, a little bitty one there and a little one in that corner. I don't know if should I cover it? Maybe I'll throw some metal in and say that's good, or some body work on that too, I guess. Might as well do it while it's out, right? I don't want it 3 years down the line and have my foot goes through it. Anyways, it's coming along. And I guess I gotta get the bed redone. I mean the overliner. Anybody know, does any glue hold this up without eating through it? Because it's old and rotten. That side's falling down over there, and before I go, it ain't much. I think the guy in town here does this for about 150 bucks. Anyway, I cut my little liner out for that. This paint looked good when I took the dash cover off. It was all busted to pieces. It's coming. It's coming, guys. Alright, so got my little piece of metal on there. I had to go back around and finish it off. I sprayed it all underneath there too and got it all rust infected, or whatever you want to call it, to get the rust off. Hopefully it'll turn it. I'm going to spray all this down and let it dry 24 hours. I got that side, it's coming along. And we're getting there, folks. I appreciating y'all guys watching. See me doing anything stupid, just let me know, because I am.